Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we are going to learn motion tracking in Adobe After Effects. So guys, what is motion tracking? So, motion tracking is the process of tracking the movement of an object within your video. And after collecting those tracking data, you can apply those data to any video or element so that that element is moved along with your footage. Now, what is the use of motion tracking? Now, motion tracking is mostly used for stabilized motion. You can stabilize motion and insert 2D and 3D elements in your video footages. You can also add elements such as text, video, elements or any other solids to your composition. You can replace screens like TV, mobile, computer, hoarding boards. Now these are the basic for beginners things. You can also use advanced tracking for your projects. Now guys, types of motion tracking in Adobe After Effects. So these are the types of motion tracking. First is single point tracking, 2 points tracking, corner pin tracking, there are planar tracking, there is spline tracking, and last is 3D camera tracking. These all are motion tracking in After Effects. So guys, for example, if I want to track this Tutorials Point logo along with my hand gestures, then just take this logo, and as you can see, if I move my hand, then logo is not moving. But after applying motion tracking, see, this logo is moving with my hand because I am applying motion tracking on this logo. So let's see practically how we done this.
So guys, for starting the motion tracking, first we are going to create a new composition. I'm just rename it at MOTION motion tracking. Okay, just make a size of 5 minutes. Fine. Okay, now I'm import one footage. I have some footages. I'm just importing this footage. Okay, so what I have to do is, whenever my hand is moving from here to here, okay, then that time the logo is also moving with my hand. Fine. So do this, we have to apply the motion tracking. So I also have the logo over here. This logo we applying. Just scale this. Fine. So from here my logo should be moved with the hand. So first I'm set my logo over here. Okay, and now I'm setting the motion tracking on this footage. So just double click on this footage. Okay, so we are coming on the layer. Our layer name is this. Now to start the motion tracking, here in the tracker you can see track motion. Okay, main source is our footage name. Fine. So first check the source footage is correct or not, and now start track motion. So after start the track motion, we will get a track point 1. Okay, you can zoom it, and if you click over here, it will be zooming that particular part of your footage, so you can easily track from where you are click. Okay, so for the better idea, you can also get a perfect track point, so it will be easily track down full footage. Just set my track point here. And now I'm just setting my edit target to a null track data, and now frame by frame I'm moving. Just set like this. Okay, perfect. So guys, just for the practical purpose, I'm track this data for this shortage time. Now what you have to do, you have to edit target and apply track data. This is my null object name track data, and press OK. Okay, and then apply. After you clicking the apply, you will say apply dimension X and Y, because our tracking data is only working in X and Y position. You can also see either X only or either Y only, and press OK. So now I'm back to my composition panel. Now what you have to do, you have to parent this logo to this track data. Now how? So first I have to start my point. So here my null object is started. I'm just set my logo properly to this above the hand. Fine here. And now I'm applying this parent to the null object. See, so we done this. Like this you can do track motion in Adobe After Effects. So guys, this is a track motion. You can also see track camera, wrap stabilizer, and stabilize motion. These are the advanced topic which we are going to learn in our upcoming videos. So this was all about the motion tracking in Adobe After Effects. Whether you wish to track the object or you want to do a 3D motion tracking. Okay, thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.